In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to completely remove the background from this image, from this field image, with a special emphasis on the tree. And I'm going to teach you two methods of doing that. So I have my field image here opened in Photoshop, and the first thing we need to do is to go to channels. The reason we are using channels is because we need to make sure the foreground is darker than the background. So beside my layers panel here, I have channels here, so I click on channels and I'm going to select the blue channel. Make sure only the blue channel is showing like this. That gives us a black and white contrast. And we are going to duplicate this channel. So you right click and say duplicate channel and rename it. Give it any name and select it and click the blue one. And now we're going to go to levels. So you can either press Ctrl and L to reveal levels, or go to image, adjustment, and levels. Now we're going to move the dark slider to our right. So as I move it, see what is happening to the field. The dark side is becoming darker like this. And we are going to move the white slider to our left to take care of the sky. You see, the sky also needs to be right. So I think this level is okay. Now we click OK, and the next thing we do is pick our brush tool, normal brush tool, and change the blending mode to overlay. Make sure the foreground color, as you did see down here, is white. And then now brush over the white areas of your field, especially between the tree leaves, the branches. Okay, so if you are done with that, now you come down to the foreground color again and change it to black. Still, with our overlay blend mode, we paint over the dark areas. Now you see within the grass, the field here, we still have some white spots. It means when we do our selection, parts of the grass will go away. So to solve that, we change, still with our foreground color black, change the overlay mode to normal and reduce the brush size a little bit, and then just paint over those dark areas. Those white spots, paint over them in the grass. Done. So now we pick our selection tool, hold Ctrl and click on our layer. And now let's change to RGB mode. This is how you change. Just unselect this one and select RGB. And then let's go to our layers panel. And make an inverted selection of what you've just done. So you hold down Ctrl Shift I. So now it selects the field and the tree, and then add a layer mask to your layer. You can see it did a pretty good job of taking out the background and everything that is within the tree. For the second method, all we need to do is, with our layer selected, you can double click it and then reveal your layer style. And then with our blending option selected, we go to the blend if option and change from gray to blue. Why blue? Because the sky is blue. So we're going to make some adjustments to the sky just to take out the sky. Now the slider on your right here, you need to hold down Alt and click on it once. What it does is it divides the slider in two, in halves. So you pick the first slider and gradually drag it to your left. As you do that, you see it takes off the sky. Not too much. I think this is okay. Let's check. But we still have some blue patches over here. So to take care of that, we now take the second slider and drag that one gradually as well. So if you are okay with what you have, you can click OK. So this one also does a good selection and then takes out the background as well. But this only works if you don't have blue colors within your field or within the foreground. So to take that one out as well. So that does it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. In my next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how I added a video to this background with special emphasis on the color correction, day and night, etc. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And till I see you in the next tutorial, it's bye.